Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National English Version School. Today I am going to take a computer subject for class 3. Dear students, our today's topic chapter 9, short questions 1 and 2, and our lecture 10 and homework 9. So let's start our class. Our today's topic chapter 9, short questions 1 and 2, lecture number 10 and homework 9. Chapter 9. Our chapter 9 name is Internet. Short questions. Here are two short questions are given. Question number 1. What are the advantages of using the Internet? Our answer will be some advantages of using is It will be instead of O. Okay. Some advantages of using the Internet are given below. Number 1, one can get any information by browsing the Internet. B, we can buy air, bus, train tickets using it. C, we can send email within a second. D, we can also read books using the Internet. E, we can watch badminton, cricket, football, hockey, etc. matches using the Internet. Question number 2. What is Internet? Our answer, a group of connected computers is called a network. Internet is also a network of computers. It is a big network that connects all computers. Over the Internet, these computers can send and receive music, messages and pictures from one to another. I repeat this question, question number 2 again. What is Internet? Our answer, a group of connected computers is called a network. Internet is also a network of computers. It is a big network that connects all computers. Over the Internet, these computers can send and receive music, messages and pictures from one another. Dear learners, your homework will be homework 9 SQ, homework 9 SQ number 2. SQ number 2 from chapter 9. Question number 2 is what is Internet? That is your homework SQ2. So hope understood today's topic. Do your homework properly. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.